Good day, everybody. Yes, we are going to be doing this today, aren't we, buddy? And he's so excited because he gets to help Dad again. He's a little too helpful. So I'll cut the cord over there. He's going to do up just strip this down a little bit anyways. This dryer here we picked up the other day. Oh my goodness, buddy, you're knocking the tools all over the place, fool. No, you can't have it. It's not chips. Yeah, he likes his treats. I guess you can have a pea right there. So, we got new tires put on the van there the other day. Got it home, almost started. Might have mentioned that in the last video. So that's a bummer. So we're going to take this all apart, and tonight we're going to, young fellow and I are load up the trailer with, I got 2 fridges, water heater, and this to go. So we'll strip this down, get the drum out of it for a burning barrel for the spring. It's another 20 bucks. So we got 4 down there, probably 6, so it'll be number 7. So we got 120 bucks sitting there waiting for the spring. It all adds up, guys. It all adds up. Bit by bit by bit. What a foolish dog. I love him, but he's foolish. Gotta keep checking on him because he's running free now. But he's a puppy still. He's be 2 years old February 13th. Big and bad. And little surprise here. I haven't mentioned it before, so I didn't know the exact date. But Squirrel, my boy son, is in grade 12 right now. And he's graduating early. Yeah, how early? He doesn't even know it. He's graduating next Friday. Is his last day of school. He's passed. He's done. No more school. So, yeah, he graduated early, which is something else. Something to be proud of, I guess. Now I guess he doesn't know it yet, but he ain't getting no time off because he's gonna be scrapping full time with Dad. That's what we have kids for, to help us out, right? Everybody agree now? All right. So, start pulling this wiring harness off. And you're going up in there. I'm gonna snip it. He found old Tim Hortons bag that had a donut in it, and he's eating it. Not Tim Hortons, the bag. Not the donut, the bag. And he's a bit spoiled. Like, every time we go out, we stop Tim Hortons. Even if he's not with us, he's home washing the house. And we bring him home 4 Timbits. Every time we go out. He's not spoiled one bit. There we go. Got these 2 wires off. I broke that light, didn't I? And I don't even have a bucket to put stuff in. I wasn't thinking ahead. Anyhow. And that. I want to get this wiring harness out of here the way it is. So we'll clip the rest of the wires off and get her apart. Because it is wintertime, guys, and it's still flipping. It's freezing out right now, literally. 0 degrees. As I say, I don't want to play around too much with all of this. Gotta snip them off up here because if I don't, they won't fall through. Hey! Back up here. Good boy. You stay in the yard, I see, all right? Oh, get down, you fool. Yeah, he's a pretty good dog. He listens. I say, though, here he goes again. He's showing off now. Look at him. You showing off for the camera? He's so happy to bring him up because I haven't been able to give him any camera time lately because of the holidays. And the last video I did was in the house. So he's a crate dog. He likes to sleep in his crate. So he didn't get up here on the video. And he's very upset about this stuff, eh? I see I'll trim the resties off and I get everything off here. For now, I'm just getting what I can. Get the bulk of the wiring harness out. And snip. There he's down the field down there. You guys see him down there? I got my beeper out to beep him. Because he's going in the woods. See that? I beeped him. Right back to the house. See him coming? Stay out of the woods. Alright? As I said, you gotta keep an eye on him. So yeah, just a little beep, and that's what he hears. And he knows that means to come back right away. He does it better than my kid did when my kid was young. Oh, there he is. He's being a smart arse now. He's staying just out of my sight to make me check on him, eh? Little attention hog. I almost said the other word, but I didn't. Almost, not quite. So we're all good. That's what's holding me up. There's one green wire right here. Snip. Oh, there you are. Looked down, I couldn't see you. I thought you were gone in the woods, buddy. Smarty. Yeah, you're a smart one, aren't you? Yeah, I know. Hey, give them back. Tool thief. Oh, yeah. We're surviving her the winter. Made it into January anyways. So, third of the way through January. We just gotta get through January. Get out of that. And February. And well, mid-March it starts getting bearable out here. It's not too bad today. It's right around freezing mark. 0 or 32 Fahrenheit. So it's not too shabby. Now, that's all I'm gonna do. I gotta get bigger, more tools out of the shed. So we'll just take a little walk here. Oh my goodness. See what's going on around the scrappy yard. Still got these to put on. They're gonna go on the trailer, one of them, one set. I'm thinking the black ones to get the flat bottom on them. And I can bolt down through. Push all 3 bolts down through, stop from waving a little bit. And just weld it. Weld a bar up like this here, maybe here and here. Yeah, here and here, buddy. And just bolt it to the bar with C-clamps. Like these ones here. Or D-clamps, whatever the heck you want to call them. So I think that's how we're going to do that. We got that big grate there. It's laying on the plywood. That's going to go up in the front of the trailer. I might have to cut it down. I'll go up in front of the trailer here. Yeah, I'll probably put it on the outside because we can weld it to that. And then we can bolt, yeah, we bolt the sideboards up to it because we welded on the bottom. So I'll give it more structure. So that should bring it up to about that high. And about that high in the front, probably from here up. We'll be up about that high. About that high. You see, yeah, that high. And that'll leave the back part here low. So there he goes again. We should put the brakes on. He's teasing me now, eh? Yeah, you can't get through that way, fool. Down. No, I can't jump, you know that. You're a fool. That's enough. You're gonna trip me, buddy. He wants to play so bad, but I'm too old to play. And his son, he's in school right now, so. But yeah, here's this fridge here. It's all ready to go. It's all cleaned out. Got all the goodies off the hot water, the water heater there, that can go. There's 5 of the drums there. So there'll be 6 up there. I think I got more than that. 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 8, so that's 160. We still got this TV to do. Yeah, we got those 4-bolt rims, tires. Got 2 more down there. Because we got a little yard trailer, like for behind like a lawn tractor. And yeah, so that way we can move the stuff around easier. We got a couple of bikes to tear apart in there. We got this to finish tearing apart. That light's going in the back of the house. We got some stuff to tear apart and throw on. We're keeping a small crate. The reason we're keeping a little small crate is because of our cat. If there's ever a forest fire or something and we got to evacuate, that'd be a nice little thing to have to get the cat in and get her out safely. Dog, he won't need one. He listens pretty well in the vehicle. You know what cats in vehicles like, most of them, they don't like it at all. So I need extra light in the house. And I didn't even know I had this. Oh, okay. They're no good. They're no good. They're all busted up. But there's more scrap to do in the house. Hey, don't drink water you don't know about, bud. Yeah, stay down. So we got to take this apart. There's going to be a compressor in there and a small rad. I got a household dehumidifier up there. That's got to be cleaned out. I got a, what do you call it there? Yeah, that's got to go. The dishwasher. I got a, down here, I got a stainless steel dishwasher. Down here somewhere, there it is. By the cart, stainless steel dishwasher. Take that TV and take it apart in the shed because it's too big doing the house. That heater, you same idea. What do you got now? Oh, we got Tim Hortons cart. He loves Tim Hortons, eh? Can you tell? So yeah, we got a little bit, that table I was going to throw it out. But instead I'm going to put plywood on the spring and use it as an outdoor table for working on stuff. It'll be set over here somewhere. What do you got? Stick, I hope. Okay. Is that a stick or steel? Hey. Oh, it's a stick. All right. Never know what dogs are going to eat. Worse than kids. So yeah, we're getting there slowly, guys. There's an old bike there, antique bike I want to fix up, put on the lawn in a flower bed. So yeah, in the spring, we're getting some gravel brought in. This is all going to be on to put gravel here and in the front of the shed. And up here, about as far as that bicycle. And right across to the top of this bank here, the other side of this piece of plywood. This is all going to be gravel down here. As I've been saying, we're going to get the, look out. We're going to take those trees out. And we're going to gravel probably from here straight down like that. So we'll have this big area gravel. So we can snowblow next winter. Go get him. His new toy. No, not mine. I'm wearing them, you fool. Hey, that's enough. That was a nip. It's enough. All right, guys. We'll let you go, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for being here, and God bless.